Liberty Reservoir.
Always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul.